Hello everyone. Today we would make a script that will locate all imported and linked DWGs in the project and list them in the UI window. We would be able to find the location of them by entering the unique ID and decide which one we want to keep or delete. Let's get started. For this script, we would use 3 extra packages: Bimorph nodes, data shapes, and ArchiLab. To start with, let's find all available DWG instances in the project. Search for import instance.report instances node. Don't connect any inputs, so it would query currently open document. Create a group and name it one.getAllDWG files in the current project. Now we need to convert the instance report that we receive in group 1 into readable information. Search for import instance report.isLinked node. It will give us information about whether the DWG instance is linked or imported. Get filter by bool mask node. Connect bool to mask input and output from group 1 to list input. That way, we would have the first list with linked and the second list with imported DWGs. Create a group and name it 2.splitLinked and imported DWGs. Search for import instance report.name node and connect output from group 2 to import instance report input. If you press run, you could see the names of our imported DWGs. Get list view data node and connect string to keys input. Create a code block and type all imported DWGs and connect it to input name. Then write 250 and connect it to hide optional input. Search for import instance report.import instance node. Connect output from group 2 to import instance report input and connect the node to values input. Get a boolean, change it to true, and connect to show element count input. Create a group and name it 3.listView of imported DWGs input. Now copy group 3 and rename it to 4.listView of linked DWGs input. Also rename the code block text to all linked DWGs and make sure you connect in output from group 2 to both import instance report.name and import instance report.import instance nodes. Search for multiple input form node, get list.create node and connect group 3 and group 4 output values, then connect it to inputs input. Click and type delete DWGs, delete, cancel, and 600. Connect them to description, button text, cancel button text, and width respectively. Get a boolean, change it to true, and connect to toggle. Create a group and name it 5.mainUIWindow. Search for elements.delete node from ArchiLab package and connect group 5 output to element input. Create a group and name it 6.delete selected DWGs. The script is now done, save it and let's test it. As you can see, in this example I have a few linked and imported DWGs. When you start the script, you would see our UI window with imported and linked files. Both of the lists have names and element ID information that can be used to locate each DWG instance. If you use Select by ID tool from Revit and type one of the ID values, it will ask if you want to go to the most suitable view. Now try to enter a different ID. After you finish checking the views, you can decide whether you want to keep particular DWG or not. In my case, I decided to delete all DWGs in the current project. Once I press delete, it would completely remove all of them, even if they were pinned. I hope you liked this video and see you next time. Thank you.